Hello. Today's fun lesson will be a tutorial on how we can customize and change some styles on properties such as the task list view. Let's assume we want to make the border size stand out, or perhaps we want to change the color of the border width, and with some advanced tricks and settings, we can easily accomplish this. First, we'll head over to the administration section, and we'll need to go under the customization section and find the culture and interface labels. Click that. Once this loads, we'll need to enable editing directly on forms. You'll go ahead and choose your personal settings. Save that option. If you head back to the general tab, you'll notice a refresh required. This will be needed to clear out any cache, and if you want to publish this and allow others to view your changes. So let's load up our favorite project, which will display our task list. Okay, once loaded, you'll notice this is the default view of the task list. No changes has been made. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll notice a new option link is enabled, show additional editable text. By clicking this, you'll pop up some options for the form itself. Now, the important thing to note is that if you want to make these changes across all forms, you would use this section. Otherwise, we want to only make these changes for this available form. So we'll click on this to overwrite any settings. We don't have any settings now. So with some jQuery, this is where all the magic happens. I'll go ahead and copy a snippet, and I'll add this to the article as a snippet. So the jQuery will look for T. T is the object of the table. That's the ID of the table we're targeting. We're going to target the rows and cells, and we're going to modify the CSS in this array style fashion by changing the border right. We're going to set a 2 pixel, have it solid, and output red as a color. And the same holds true for the border bottom attribute property. So we'll save this. Once saved, we'll reload the page. And voila. So we've made some modification to the look and feel and customize it. You can go ahead and play around and target the table headers. Since these are header cells, you can also target the footers. There are a whole bunch of stuff you can do. You can even change the color of the highlighting, row highlighting. So one thing to note is that this is all done with jQuery and CSS. So you may need some references. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you.